Oh, what a beautiful day for some monkey business. Ah, looks like the perfect opportunity for a little snack raid. Easy does it, Max. Just a few bananas for the road.
Hey, what's that noise?
Catch me if you can, humans. Success! The Great Banana Heist is complete.
Max, you did it! You scored us some bananas!
You know it, Mia. Who's up for a banana feast? Nothing beats the thrill of a successful heist.
You said it, Max! But let's not make a habit of stealing from humans, okay?
Yeah, you're right, Mia. From now on, we'll stick to the bananas in our own trees.